Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to animate an object along a path in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Fusion and click the Paint tool to create a custom path. Now choose a polyline stroke and click on the screen to plot your animation path. You can create a curved path by clicking and dragging the handles of each point. Then, animate the object by adjusting the end value and setting a keyframe. Move ahead in the timeline and set the start value to 0.99 and end to 1.0 for a smooth motion. To make an object follow the path, set the spacing to 0 and expand the brush control and select an image. DaVinci Resolve has a built-in clips, but you can also import your own image or object. And that's how you create an animated object along a path in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.